Irritants such as dust or pollen entering the nasal passage stimulate specialized sensory neurons. These neurons, located in the nasal lining, detect foreign particles. Upon detection, these neurons send an alert signal to the brain. Upon receiving an alert, the brain initiates a complex reflex action. The brain transmits signals to the diaphragm, chest muscles, and eyelids, coordinating the sneeze response. The chest muscles tighten in preparation for the forceful expulsion of air during a sneeze. The body forcefully expels air from the nose at high speed, typically around 100 miles per hour. Sneezing is a reflex action to clear irritants from the nasal passages. During a sneeze, the brain signals the eyelids to close involuntarily,